Yeah, hi Mark, how are you? Hope you're all fine. So today I'll show you the how the group tour has been done. Okay, so I'll show you the first from the first, and I'll give you the complete brief descriptions about the group tour in front end as well as from the back end also. Okay, so here is a main page for the group tour where this type of information can be done, can, can be filled. Okay. Yeah. So from the overview section, we had covered the complete information from your old site to the new site. Okay. In the left side, we had covered the overview of the tour, and in the right side, we had covered the what include and what it is exclude. Okay. In the itinerary section, we had customized our data into the day wise. In the day one, the complete details. In the day two, complete detail with pictures. You can set the pictures as well as in only content, because we already have a section for the picture in the right side. Our arrangement, in our arrangement we had covered the highlight in our arrangement, that is categorized into the three parts: hotel, tour guide, and vehicle in the way of payment. And to the right side we had covered the flexible to join in this group, because it is almost same like our arrangement, because we need to give price for our luxury tour trip, 4-star hotel standard, and the if tourists want the single room supplement charges. So all the details are with our arrangement. Into the attraction and the review part, we had covered most of the content in this tab, because we have a vast drop down into this section. Okay, the first point is the adventure right for you. Second is the transportation. Third one is oxygen, meals, group tour regulation. So this type of information has been covered into the attraction in the review. Yeah, in the review section, this is a this data is coming from the testimonial. I had put the data from the testimonial, and suppose from further, if someone is coming into the website and wants to post some review for individual tour, he can write his name, email ID, rating, website, and his comment. And once he will post, the complete data will go to the dashboard, and once the admin will approve it, it will come to the website on the particular post, not only the website. Okay. After that, we have option for gallery. In the gallery, we can post some new pictures. I'll show you how the pictures are coming from the backend. Departure date. In the departure date, we can create some package on the basis of starting date and the returning date. Trip status. Suppose you want to have a trip, planned trip, but it is not available. It is only for starting booking. Okay, so you can set status according to you. It's price including flight, that can be set from the backend. Okay, so this is the complete tour, uh, group tour page with the complete content. I take from the old site and put into the new site. I'll show you the how the content is managing from the backend. Mostly I'll show you the technical part, which is more technical, like manage your flight, manage your pictures, manage your drop downs. So this is a normally overview which is coming on the front page of the site. Main overview is coming into this sections. Overview section, this is a tab. This is your tab. Overview, itinerary, accommodation renamed by our arrangement, FAQ renamed by attraction and review, gallery, and the departure date is coming from the variable and the attributes because it is a varying our price to a price. Okay, so that is dynamically. I'll show you how the price are managed. Okay, so into this section we had put our data, what is include, what is exclude, put here. Itinerary, post your data day wise, day 1, day 2, title and the description. Accommodation may highlight in our arrangement, just put the data into this text box. The right side, flexible to join in this group, put the data into this box. We need some little information about the HTML, so it will be a very easy, not very hectic. Is this adventurous? Yeah. So here is the when you will click on the add new button, a new drop down will create, and then we give drop down to a title and its content. Gallery, we can add new gallery from our media section, like here we can choose the pictures. Okay, now come to the how I set the flight price. For creating a new flight size or any variable into this, like you want to add some hotel cost. Okay, so I need to create a attribute for a particular tour, add tour, set attribute to the for the variation, values of uh, attributes, come to the variation. So that attribute will come under the variation. Okay, suppose this is a month, January, February, March, April, May, June. That data is coming from the attribute, the values of attribute. Suppose we want to change the flight price. So this is a regular price of a tour, and here is a price including tour price including flight. So the difference will be the cost of flight. So here you can change your flight price, so the price will be varies, your tour start date and the tour return date. So once the date will be crossed, because it means ki our tour has been start, so the automatically that package will remove from our website. It is an automation. You don't need to go, because once our tour has been start, so we don't need to take any booking. Okay, update. Apart from this, I'll show you how we are going to manage our uh, private tours, because in the private tour we don't have a very vast content like group tour. I'll show you. I had managed more than 10 pages for the private tour. Let me show you. In the classic itineraries, so the once the layout has been will be approved for the private tour, we will start moving content from the old site to the new site. Let's take this one. Yeah, the gallery, it will be same, but we have very less content. We don't need any departure date. So it will be very easy. term and condition, we can show a pop-up. Click here, we'll go to the quotation page. Okay, all are same. Okay, just check it and let me know if you have any issue. Okay, thank you.